Hi! Hello everybody, I hope you're having a lovely day. We are popping up with some new makes, but more importantly, a brand new pattern.
Ta-da!
We're here to introduce to the world the Winona jumpsuit.
Which we love. It is a jumpsuit, just showing you the legs. We put some pictures in, but it could be a dress like this. No!
Ooh, Winona dress.
Oh.
No,
let's focus.
One thing at a time. So yes, this is our newest pattern, the Winona jumpsuit, and Winona came from
Your mind.
From my mind, and basically from what I love to wear in the summer. I like easy, breezy fitting. I like something cool and comfortable that you can make really quickly, but that you still feel nice in.
Yes.
So I quite like a lot of oversized things, but sometimes you also want something a little bit fitted as well.
Yeah.
Do you know what I mean?
I always want something fitted, to be fair.
Well,
but enter the Winona jumpsuit, and Rosie's kind of won me over with the looseness of this pattern.
I think a bit of the key is that we've kept it nice and fitted around the shoulders and the bust.
I think that's it.
So you're getting a nice clean look here, and then you have a bit more ease in the waist and around the hips and in the trousers as well.
The leg is so breezy.
It's so
Honestly,
nice and breezy.
It's perfect.
And then also you have got ties in the waist seam, so you can kind of cinch it in as much or as little as you want.
So Rosie's done it at the back, I've done it at the front, and just to show you how it looks without them, which surprisingly I love. And I love a fitted thing, but this is, I really like it. And we did take some pictures of one that we didn't put the ties on. And it's so comfortable. Like, I kind of want to make one without the ties to just wear at home. It's basically secret pyjamas. It's so so easy. But then for going out, you can just tie it. And I like it at the front, but you can do it at the back. You can do it very loose. You can do it very tight.
I wonder which one you're going to go for.
But you can choose your adventure basically, which is really good. In terms of closures, there's no zips, no buttons.
Nope. So
we've done
you've
two
got
options.
A little gap here, which opens up, and then I've got a hook and eye on my version.
And I've got an encased, we've called it an encased elastic.
Yes.
So it's encased in the same fabric, so it blends in, but it's an elastic, and basically that allows you to pull it off and on very easily.
Yes.
And I will say that if you're a person that requires the toilet often and urgently, and I am definitely one of those, and I know I'm not alone in the sewing world, this is probably the better option, because I don't want to be fiddling with the hook and eye.
Yes.
This just goes boop, boop, nice and easy. But the hook and eye is probably a little bit quicker to sew.
Yeah. So it's sort of, pick whatever suits
your
really.
needs, but we've covered all bases, I think, right?
Exactly that.
And then what's going on? So you've got bust darts over here.
We've got bust darts for fitting. We've got, you might not be able to see as much of mine.
Pockets!
Enormous pockets.
Enormous, which I absolutely love. And they're patch pockets, but they're caught in the side seam, which I really like. I haven't sewn anything like that before.
No, they are there. I think they're easier to sew.
Definitely.
You don't have to worry about putting a pocket just in the middle of a pattern piece. You've got things to line up with.
That's true.
And they're just having them anchored in the side seam.
Safer.
Feels safer. It
and
does
also,
feel safer.
I think it looks neater.
Yes.
It's got a very neat finish. We'll put some pictures of, so you can see it better, because this is very, very patterned. But lovely pockets, and we've tested them. You can fit a Kindle, a small Kindle fits in there. You fitted some essentials for summer.
Gin and tonic in a can. Perfect
Lovely.
size if you're going to the park or the beach.
Ideal. A croissant or a Danish fits in there. Absolutely fine.
All the essentials. That sounds like a lovely day out.
I know, right?
All three.
Kindle in one, and the can and the pastry. Lovely. You're ready to go. What a day. And what else is going on in the bodice?
So you have got, obviously you've got your neckline and your armholes, and all of these are bound. So I'll show you a little bit here. I love binding as a finish. I absolutely love it.
I've got it done in the same fabric, just so you can see. But you use some scraps, which is a good idea with something heavier, like we'll talk about fabrics in a bit. But this is a cotton chambray.
Yes, yeah. So if your fabric doesn't feel like it's going to be good for binding, if it's a bit heavier, you can just use something from your stash.
Scraps.
We've all got cotton or a bit of viscose
Absolutely.
lying around there, and it just makes it for a really clean finish.
Yes.
Also looks nice sometimes when you've got a little bit of something different on the inside.
It's a treat.
It is a treat, definitely. So then it's a treat only for you.
Only for you, exactly, which is lovely.
So yes, bound armholes, bound neckline. Obviously, because you've got a V-neck here, sometimes binding a V it's not sort of tricky, but sometimes you might not know where to start.
How exactly you do it. Yeah, and there are different methods, but I love what you've done.
So yeah, we have got a really nice, neat method, and we filmed a little tutorial for Stitch School to help with that as well, because we thought it might be a step where people want a little bit of hand holding if it's something that you've not approached before.
Yeah, definitely.
So any Stitch School subscribers can go over there and have a little look, or obviously it's available just to buy as well on its own. And
obviously it's perfect for Winona, but you can then use that method on any sort of woven V necklines.
Exactly.
So it's useful for everything.
It's an all-rounder. So fabrics we kind of touched on a little bit.
So you're wearing a cotton chambray.
Yeah.
I'm wearing a cotton lawn. So very, very breezy. So easy to sew.
Very easy.
Did I enjoy that?
Yeah, if you're at the sort of beginner end of the spectrum, so this is a confident beginner pattern.
Yes.
If you're towards the beginner end, cotton lawn, actually, or chambray
as well as
would be really good to start
cotton
with.
poplin we've used as well, works really well. I'd say these maybe give it a little bit more structure. And then we've also made some samples in viscose for Janine and for Zoe, and they look kind of softer.
They do,
which is beautiful. And I think maybe they'll be slightly easier to dress up. So I'd say my version, for example, is quite casual.
Yeah.
It's a print, it's a cotton, love it, I want to wear this every day. And yours super versatile.
Yeah.
Because it's a plain, solid colour, I think it will take you to any kind of situation. But then Janine's, for example, which is just a plain navy viscose.
Goodness.
We shot it with different footwear, and oh my god, when she put on the
heels, gold heels,
like,
it just went glam.
You can go out now when you're ready.
Yeah.
That's amazing. So yeah, I think it can go different ways. So think about what you want to wear your Winona jumpsuit for, and then pick your fabric.
That's it.
The viscose, of course, will be a little bit not fiddlier, but you know, it's working with viscose compared to working with cotton. So choose your challenge again and think about what you want to wear it for. But I do think this could be a very nice dressy outfit made in the right fabric, right?
Definitely. I have a black one already, obviously. That looks really quite smart.
There you go.
Yeah, and I'm going to wear it for something smart later this month, and I think it'll work perfectly, just with smarter shoes, just not with trainers.
Because we've got trainers, both of us. And this is perfect, midweek kind of day in the office, ideal, love it. But also with sandals, with clogs, barefoot at the beach.
Like a dream.
Ideal.
And you're thinking of making an autumny one, aren't you?
Yes, so we're going to try this later on, but I think in a needle cord, nothing too heavy obviously, but in a needle cord, I think this would look amazing on top of a t-shirt. Yeah. Because there's plenty of room in there, I'd say, for a t-shirt, maybe even like a Roxy jumper.
Oh, cute.
Maybe something that's not too thick. But and then even tights and boots, I think that could work. So we'll watch this space. Come autumn.
We'll try it out for you.
We'll try it out and then we can see. But it's, I just love a layering piece, so we'll see. Even this one I could wear with a t-shirt underneath. You could definitely wear it with a t-shirt underneath. So, it's good for all seasons. But mainly right now when it's hot and sticky.
Yes.
Perfect.
Which it is in the office today.
Today, this specific day, it's very, very sticky. So this is all we want to be wearing. So in terms of sizes, the Winona jumpsuit, like all our new patterns that we bring out, is in our full range of sizes UK 6 to 30. It's a confident beginner pattern, as we've said. There's help and stitch cool, as we said. It's beautiful, cool and breezy, as we said. Lots of different fabrics. And if you want to share your Winona jumpsuit once you've made it, use the hashtag SOI Winona jumpsuit on Instagram. Hopefully you'll see lots of pattern insider versions, which are so good.
Lovely ones popping up.
Love them. And also there'll be plenty of Winona content from us, you know, we like to bring out lots of different, you know, pictures and videos just to make it make you appreciate the pattern 360 degrees. But yeah, go and have a look at the product page so you can find out all the details, see all the pictures, and yeah, we hope you love it.
Yeah, yeah,
you really
definitely.
hope they love it.
I really do, obviously, because it's sort of almost straight out of my wardrobe.
It's so
in a way. I'm really interested to see what people think, and to hopefully see if people see it as a nice, easy way to get into jumpsuits if you're not a jumpsuit person, because it's just it's so simple.
Fitting wise is quite easy. So I twirled just the bodice.
Yeah.
I just wanted to make sure that this fitted nicely. But here all the fitting is done by the ties.
Yeah.
Maybe just check the rise. So we have a very good stitch call tutorial that's all about how to fit a jumpsuit. But I would say that this is one of the easier ones to fit with
massively.
of our jumpsuits, because it's not, you know, you don't want to start your jumpsuit adventure with something super fitted.
Yeah.
You probably don't want to do that. This is a good gateway.
It's definitely the gateway jumpsuit.
Absolutely.
Yeah, we hope that you love her.
Yes, we do. We really do.
Let us know your thoughts, and we hope to see your Winonas popping up on the scene. And if you like this video, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, because there's always new stuff coming up.
Constantly.
We've got Jeans Club, we've got Team Bakes, we've got lots of fitting stuff going on at the moment as well, so there's always a little bit of something to watch.
Entertain you as you sew. That's how we like to think that you watch our videos, that you put them on as you sew, because it's a nice companion content to your own sewing. I like to think that we're there in the corner keeping you company as you sew your Winona jumpsuit.
Exactly.
We should also say, just admin wise, that
good point.
Next month, so August, we won't have a new pattern. So we've said previously in a few videos that this year we're only doing 8 dressmaking patterns, correct?
Yeah.
So we've had 2 quite close together. So we had Natalia in June, we've had Winona now in July. So we're taking a little break from that specifically in August, but we'll be back with a lot in September. And of course there'll be other stuff happening in August. Never a dull day with us. Trust, we're not actually resting, we're just we're actually already working on all the winter patterns at the moment, so busy with that. But yeah, there'll be plenty to keep you entertained, and hopefully it will give you time to look back at the patterns we've brought out so far. There's plenty to choose from there, like so much. We've had blouses, skirts, dresses again, jumpsuits now, bags, like come on, there's a lot to catch up on, but we're gonna go out and enjoy not feeling too hot in our Winona jumpsuits. Bye!